Xiaomi has launched its Redmi Note 7 smartphone in China. Here is how it compares to the Redmi Note 6 Pro, which is currently available. Xiaomi recently launched its latest generation Redmi Note 7 smartphone in China. This is the first smartphone to be a part of the new Redmi by Xiaomi sub-brand. It is a successor to the Redmi 6 series launched last December. The Redmi Note 7 comes with some interesting features like a 48MP primary sensor, a water-drop style notch display, a 4000 mAh battery and more. Redmi Note 7 versus Redmi Note 6 Pro. Price: Redmi Note 7 will be made available in 3 RAM internal storage variants. The 3GB RAM 32GB internal storage is priced at 999 yuan, approximately 10,000 rupees. 4GB RAM 64GB internal storage priced at 1199, approximately rupees 12,000. And 6GB RAM 64GB internal storage priced at 1399 yuan, approximately 14,000. Redmi Note 7 versus Redmi Note 6 Pro. Design: display. Till date, Redmi smartphones used to come with a metal or a plastic chassis, whereas the Redmi Note 7 is the first Redmi smartphone to sport a glass and metal sandwich build. Both the smartphones feature a notch display, however the sizes of the notches aren't similar. Redmi Note 6 sports a 6.26-inch display with a normal long notch, whereas the Redmi Note 7 sports a 6.3-inch display with a water drop style notch. Redmi Note 7 versus Redmi Note 6 Pro. Processor: battery. Redmi Note 6 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 processor paired with an Adreno 509. While the new Redmi 7 has 3 more powerful Snapdragon 660 processor paired with an Adreno 512 GPU. Both the Snapdragon 636 and 660 quite similar in many aspects. They are even made upon the same 14nm FinFET technology. However, the difference caused by the different CPU clock frequencies makes the Snapdragon 660 appear at the top. Coming to the battery specifications, both the Redmi Note 6 Pro and Redmi Note 7 are backed by a 4000 mAh non-removable battery. However, the difference is in the type of charging technologies used. The Redmi Note 6 Pro supports Qualcomm's Quick Charge 3.0, whereas the Redmi Note 7 supports Qualcomm's Quick Charge 4.0 technology. This will surely make a difference in the charging times. Redmi Note 7 Pro has a Type-C port for charging, while the older phone had a micro USB port for charging. Redmi Note 7 versus Redmi Note 6 Pro. Camera. The new Redmi Note 7, as it is the company's first smartphone to feature a 48MP primary sensor on the back. The Redmi Note 7 sports a dual camera setup on the back consisting of a 48MP primary sensor paired with a 5MP secondary sensor. On the front, it features a 13MP sensor for taking selfies. This Redmi variant has a Samsung GM1 sensor for the 48MP dual camera, which also has AI support. The Redmi Note 6 Pro also comes with a dual camera setup on the back consisting of a 12MP primary sensor paired with a 5MP secondary sensor. On the front, it features a 20MP Sony IMX376 sensor paired with a 2MP secondary depth sensor. With the Redmi Note 6 Pro, the camera performance was similar to the earlier Redmi Note 5 Pro.